Hello my lovely people, and this is West Kiss hair. I've used them for so long. Oh my gosh, it feels like every time, literally every year, I've got a wig from them because they're just amazing. So this is what's in the box. This is all the goodies, and I get excited when I see, because they've really upgraded their boxes. But can we just get into this lace? Like, I've not seen one of these pre-cut laces and wigs like this. Like, look at this style. It's twists. Like, what? How? It's just crazy for me just to comprehend. Like, wigs have just come a long way. It's absolutely crazy. But anyways, child, this is the wave pattern. Again, I was very, very shocked at this wave pattern. It was beautifully, it was soft, it was bouncy, it was thick, just everything that I love in a wig. Anyways, you know me, this is my go-to. I have to go in with my foundation color. I like to pull it all over my wig because I'm lazy with styling, and it just blends in seamlessly when you do that. But yeah, this is it. But look at the front of it. Oh my gosh. Even now I'm shocked, and I'm just sitting here editing this video, like, with the pre-baby hairs, the pre-pluck, the pre-bleach, the pre-everything. It's just wow. I'm just showing you how it's glueless as well. I have not put anything on. It's just there on my head, secure. Only thing I would say is just the tabs. You'd have to either stick down with some tape. Tape doesn't agree with my skin, so I just like to use a bit of spray just for the tabs, you know, around the ears, just to make this have secure. But you could wear it glueless, most definitely. But yeah, I'm just showing you how the lace is. It literally melts seamlessly into my skin. Like, this lace is very, very thin, and I just love how the knots are so tiny. Oh my gosh. Like, the way that West Kiss always comes correct with their wigs, you cannot fault them. You just cannot fault them. And I was watching a TikTok the other day with the top 3 vendors, and West Kiss was with them because they're absolutely amazing. They really are. But anyways, I'm just going with some mousse just to go down with the baby hairs. I don't think I put too much spray on. I just used mousse, to be honest, I think, with the baby hairs. And I just styled it like that. I don't think I even sprayed it down. I think it was actually completely glueless. Just a bit of mousse to style down the baby hairs. They were quite long, so I had to, you know, style them a bit more. But yeah, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's very soft. And the styling process was literally like 10 minutes. It was crazy. And that's what I'm saying. Like, back in the day, you'd have to pluck, you'd have to bleach, you'd have to do all of that higgy hagger. And I ain't got time for that. I've got kids. I like something that I can just pop on and go. And, you know, closure wigs, they started to become in fashion with that. You could do pop on and go ones. And like, the lace front wigs kind of were behind. Like, you couldn't find a lace front wig that had all of those pre-everything. But the fact that now they're coming out with lace front wigs that come out with, you know, you do not have to do anything. You just have to pop on and go. It's just amazing. And even the way these baby hairs as well, that I didn't have to even pluck them. I just had to cut them a little. But as you can see, the styling process for this was amazing.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be a savage, I'll be your baddest bitch. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other.
Anyways, I'm just going in with some curls because I just wanted to see how it would curl. Again, when I buy curly wigs, I buy curly wigs for it to be a curly wig. and how the wig was coming like. I don't like to define my curls too much either, so I won't be putting any mousse or some water on it. I will be curling her up just a little bit, give her some, you know, extra curls, and just see. I was just kind of, you know, just seeing how she curls up, to be honest with you. But yeah, that's literally it. So you can watch the styling process.
Waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live, no shame, no shame, no game. I wanna fall in love, vulnerable in love. Do you want classy? Do you want nasty, babe? I'll give you options. I'll be your perfect day. I'm yours till the night fades. Whoa, don't let it fade. No shame, and no game. I wanna fall vulnerable. Giggling softly, could you be laughing at me, or we just giddy? Butterflies flapping in me. Don't stop what you're doing. Yeah, what you doing to me?
But yeah, this is the end of the video. This is the style. I had to go out as well. So this is me. She is there. She's all cute. It's giving holiday vibes, right? It really is. The link will be all below. But as you can see, this lace is melting into my skin. And I love how much room we've got to do other styles as well, which is great. So yeah, make sure you click in the link below, and I'll see you soon.